So hello great minds, we are back again with this section. Today's section we'll be looking at preparing your name reservation and submitting it. At the end of it, you will need to make payments, so you get to understand how much you pay at the end of this section. So follow us carefully as we go. Remember, you need not to forget your username and your password. I've logged in with my username here, and the password is saved, so I'll just click and then we are there. So this is our profile page. Remember, we looked at how to create a profile page in our previous section. So if you have not gone through that tutorial, please do well to check it so that you can get better understanding of what we are about to do now. So we are heading straight away to this green button saying new name reservation. New name reservation. You click on it and then you get this page will be open. You have classification. Under classification, you choose we are working on business and we click business name, and then under the specific type you click sole proprietorship, business name sole proprietorship. If it's partnership you want to register, fine, you click on partnership. Then we have proposed name. So for this tutorial we are looking at this name called Joy to the World Enterprise. Option 2, you can choose another name, Father's Venture. Remember, before you get to this point, you must have done your public name search, and if you haven't gone through that section of tutorial, please do well to check it out so that you can understand and then follow the process. It's very important, because if you don't do a name search and you get to this point and you make payments, your reservation possibly may be denied. So haven't put the two name option, is left for you. If you have one, you have confidence of what you have, you put just one, but it's better you use two. Then if one doesn't go through, the other will be selected. So having filled in these details, you click on save and continue to take you to the next page. Save and continue. You take you to the next page, and in that next page we are here already. That's stage 2. It said reason for availability search. You click, it's a new incorporated trust, it's a new registration, so you click new registration. New registration is number 4 on the list, new registration. And then specific nature of business, here you choose what is the business like. Very important. Okay, nature of business is important to have idea. Okay, maybe let's look at say you are doing fashion design, for instance. You need to understand this menu here, because for this category, let's look at administrative and support service activities, and under it you have a list of um, specific nature of business. Nature of business means what do you do, which kind of business are you doing, so you need to have understanding of that. So this is the list we have on maybe catering services. So for the purpose of this training, we'll choose catering service. Maybe you are doing boutique services, you put boutique services, and then we're good. Then you click save and next. The next page is for you to preview all that you have selected from stage 1 to stage 2. Then you see the preview in stage 3, and then stage 4 is the final stage, which will be your payment stage. You will now see, today you now know how much you pay for name reservation. Okay, our details are ready for preview. So it's very important you look at the preview very well, so that any spelling error can be corrected before you submit. Once you make payment, you cannot correct any error, whether it's typographical error or whatsoever. So we are okay with what we have. The next thing is to click on save and continue, and it will take us to the page where we will make our payments. and this is remitter RRR payment. It will generate remitter number for you to use for payment. You can pay in any format. You can pay using your card, or you can pay using the bank, so it depends on you. So if you want to pay using your card, you are paying 500 naira for reservation, but remember, when you are using your card, you will be charged additional bank charges. So we click on remitter. Allow it to process. The remitter is connecting, the payment gateway is connecting. Okay. Now once the payment platform is open, all you need to do is to input your card details, and then we are good to go. So let's allow the payment gateway to come up. It's very important. So your RRR is ready now for you to make payments. You will now click on submit. You click on submit because your RRR is ready. Look at the RRR number here, 5409, and then the details we use. So you click on submit. It will now then take you to where you will use your card to make payment, or you proceed to use any other payment method, be it USSD or bank transfer. So this is where you input your card. So from here, remember, this is what you are going to pay now. You must have a minimum of 663 naira 94 kobo in your account for you to be able to make this payment. So I believe you have learned something today. This is the process for you to have your business name reserved, and once it's reserved, then you'll be waiting for approval, and upon approval you will then move to the final stage, which is final registration. So see you in the next class, and remember, you need to practice so that you get used to the whole process. Thank you for joining us today. Stay blessed.